What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Franco here with Trading Futures Live. In this video, I'll show you my trades from today, May 27th. Alright, here's my H1. If we come here, May 27th. My first trade was a losing trade. I was trying to get long here. Right, so I finally found an area where to get long at, and that my mistake here was that I didn't include this pivot, but I was so hesitant to include this pivot because the area was huge. But I know yesterday we had such a like bullish day. It was not very likely that today was going to become a very bullish day, but even though yesterday we have such a run, we did have another run today. My mistake here was not include this pivot, and I got stopped out here very close to the lows for the session, and then it went up to my target, right? If we go over the internals, they were supporting the trade, even though here I enter off on the tick chart above the zero line. Then it became it went below the zero line. I still consider this a good entry because if we are in a bullish environment, this thing is not gonna go extreme negative, right? So, and like we see here, like it came close to minus 200 and then went straight up, right? This trade cost me 1 R, right? If I go over my comments, ADD was coherent. The tick chart was, the trend on the tick chart was against, but we didn't develop a trend till, like, remember this was at what time? 9:43, just 13 minutes into the trading session. So we didn't have a clear trend on the tick, but my entry was a good entry. My stop was misplaced, and that cost me 1 R, right? My second trade, it was a tradable reaction after price moved aggressively down here at like a 1040, right? I found this area, this retest turned my zone valid to short, right? It was around these pivots, right? We broke this pivot to the upside, then we broke them to the downside. Remember, all those traders here trading breakouts to the upside are trapped here. So that's my play. That's why this is called tradable reaction. I'm not expecting this to change the overall trend for the day, but for a quick move. So I did have this demand against me. So initially I wanted to put my target around here, like 12,530 around here, right? Because I know this area was a very sensitive and important area. But then I spotted this demand and I brought my target up above for I think this one gave me like a 3-to-1, yeah, 3.5-to-1 for a total of a +2 day. And with that, I conclude this video and wait for the weekly recap when I will go over my trades for the week and my results. So have all a nice long weekend. Bye.